What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. Man, I got so many sneakers to get to. I'm sorry for keeping y'all waiting, man, but you know how December is, Christmas, family, and all that. But this sneaker came out around the same time I showed y'all an early review with the Travis Scott Uptowns. And this sneaker is the Yeezy 380 Alien. Not the 350, not the 350 V2. Not the 500, not even the 500 high that I showed y'all. Early review, by the way. Go check that one out. This one is called the Yeezy 380. And it's a lot of differences on this sneaker than what we've seen before from Kanye West. So, we're going to get into this review. Sneaker Notes.
Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks. You know the vibes.
Yes, sir. So, if you're new to the channel, right down there is a subscribe button. Hit that for your boy. I'm trying to get to at least 2,000 subscribers. Help your boy out. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, hit that notification bell so as soon as I upload, you'll be one of the first to check the video out. Today on feet, I'm all blued out. I got on a Don C Jordan 2s. One of my favorite things Don C did. Don C does a lot of things that's over the top and he charges a lot of money for it. I think the Don C 2s was one of those sneakers that was right for the price tag and it had a lot of luxury. The leather looks like a couch, feels like a soft couch. So again, on foot today, I got on the Don C Jordan 2s. In the comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. Without further ado, unboxing time. 380. Now, I ain't even going to talk about the box. If you watch the channel, you already know how I feel about Yeezy with these same old brown boxes. This one reads Boost, so you know adi-preme wasn't a part of this one. Same thing. Just showing y'all so y'all can know again. 380 is the only difference on this box. So same Kanye pull tab. And let's start with the left shoe. There we go there. Now, just my little gripe that I had on the 500 slates, the highs, I had that same little gripe here. I feel like he should have went with different colors. Like, I know he's on this earth thing, but the colors is making the sneakers not that popular for me. Like, the Wave Runners had special colors that pop. They had like a blue that's rarely used on the sneaker. It had that orange, I believe. I haven't seen my Wave Runners in so long. But it had colors that pop. You see the Yeezy 500 Bones came out. They're still sitting because people are really tired of those neutral colors. They want things to pop. So let's get into the sneaker. We already know Adidas is the only ones that still put the tag on the shoestrings. Okay. Start with your toe box. This is new. Instead of a Kanye Yeezy sneaker, this looks more like a Kobe sneaker. And when what you say, what I mean by that, you have fly knit material on the Alien. It's fly knit material. You know Kobe's one who made that popular. And also the Pharrells have the fly knit situation. Your shoestring starts here. It looks kind of invisible. It's no shoestring eyelids. Like nothing to highlight the shoe was holding the shoestring. So it looks like it's just a part of the So the shoestrings look like they're invisible. Like they just appeared straight out of the sneaker. Regular white shoestrings. Closer to cream than white. Probably the same ones used on the cream white Yeezy 350s. Right here is not a real tongue. It's sort of like a, see your sock liner looks sort of like it's just going to snap to your ankles perfectly. Definitely comfortable, soft material around the sock liner, but no tongue here. But in the inside, you still have your sizes as a regular tongue. But this fits more like a sock, definitely. This will go right around your ankles. All right? You come here, got your V2 situation right here. If you know the V2s usually have that line. More to think about right now. I just showed y'all a review of the Yeezy black V2s. And this is like see-through right here, this line. Right here, this has a little bit of sparkle. And it's hard. It's not your fly knit soft like the bottom. This part is hard. Listen. Sort of like ice or when you leave milk out too long. And that starts here and goes all the way to the back, close to the sock liner. All right. The bottom is your Yeezy Boost, but not your same format as your Yeezy Boost as a 350. Let me show y'all what I mean. These right here is one of my favorite, the Beluga Yeezys 2.0, which as you can see, the design is different. The boost here is a little larger on your 380 Alien than your Yeezy Boost 350. The front, this design is more unique and it looks like it's more boost technology in here than your Yeezy 350. But to talk about the bottom of the Yeezy 380 Alien, the bottom is a high cushion. Like this is high cushion. And it looks like sort of it will glow in the dark for you. I'm not too sure, but it definitely has that appeal. Because if you see here, it's already doing that light up as something that glows in the dark. I didn't test it out yet. Maybe in another video. The whole bottom looks like it glows. Alright, let me get the other shoe in, make sure everything is the same. Here we go. So, everything looked like it adds up. To be honest, I should have read the box to check out what color is these. But I'm going off the eye test. I see gray and I see white. Sort of looks like something a cloud would look like on a bad day. Or even like a camo. You know they have different type of camos. Yeah. So when I first went and picked these sneakers up, I thought there was no way I'm keeping these. But in hand, they got a different look, guys.
You ain't been doing the education.
Bro.
You ain't been doing the education.
Kanye, calm down.
You don't have the answers, though.
Calm down.
Different look. So on a scale of 1 to 10, comparing these to like, you know, Yeezy period or Yeezy this year. Because this year, this month of December, so many Yeezys coming out. I give this sneaker about an 8. I feel like it's going to be more comfortable because it looked like more boost is added. And definitely the sock liner is softer. So yeah, I think I'll go 8, man. In the comment section below, let me know if you cop. Let me know how you feel about these sneakers. You already know I never hold y'all long on these videos. Again, on foot today, I got on the Dawn C Jordan 2s. We all know Jordan 2s ain't popular, but the Dawn C ones was dope. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Get rich.
I'm a god. Everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was.
Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. I know the vibes.